Day. Welcome to your next Chamorro challenge. The theme for today's Chamorro challenge is a day at the beach. And so all of the vocabulary today deals with things you might find at the beach, and this challenge is best conducted at the beach, practicing using vocabulary words and speaking to your child at the beach. The word to learn today is megai. Megai means plenty, a lot, a great deal, and so it is used with a noun to indicate that there is a lot of it. And so the way that you use the words megai is megai in the noun, and you link them together with the particle na. So for example, to say lots of fish, you would say megai na we. And so that works with a different noun. Na, megai na, blank. So the simple phrase that you use to practice with your child is to ask, are there lots of blank the beat? And so the phrase is ko megai na blank gi kanton tosi. Ko megai blank gi kanton tosi. And your child can respond two basic ways: the affirmative, yeah, megai blank gi kanton tosi, or the negative, ahi ti megai blank gi kanton tosi. As usual, you may improvise and enhance this based on things that you've learned before in previous challenges, or bring in your own vocabulary, but focus on interacting with your child, asking them, is there a great deal of this? Is there a lot of that? And having them respond. The vocabulary to use for this challenge are these 10 words. Number 1, guihan, fish, guihan. Number 2, unay, sand, unay. Number 3, tronconizo, coconut tree, tronconizo. Number 4, honglao, a generic term for crab, honglao. Number 5, tegai, a generic term for shell, tegai. Number 6, somna, sunshine, somna. Number 7, hotwet, grass, hotwet. Number 8, paluma, bird, paluma. Number 9, Famagu'on, children, Famagu'on. Number 10, balati, sea cucumber, balati. These are